So continuing our configuration on EVNG Labs, the next one is about configuring site-to-site using IKEv2. Now the main difference when we compare between IKEv2 and IKEv1, it's just with phase 1. So the major changes we have to do will be in phase 1. Phase 2 will be the same thing, and we're going to see how. So the requirement is the same. We have to allow both hosts on both sides to communicate. Okay, so let's start. Let me bring my terminal back. Okay, so first we have to define the key ring, then there is a policy, and the proposal, then the interest traffic, and we're going to tie all of that using the IPsec inside IKEv2 profile, and then we're going to put everything together using CryptoMap. Okay, so let's just get right into it. Again, I won't be using the same parameters that are described in the book. I'll start with router A, and that's crypto IKEv2 keyring. Now naming ER1, and here to be site B, address going to be 40.0.0.2, pre-shared key is going to be CCIE 65745. Now next we have to set IKEv2 the policy that will be tied to this key ring. It's right here, policy. Oh, where is that? Oh, you're using different name. No, there's the proposal. If falling, probably. No, the profile. Yes, the profile. It's going to be the profile. It's going to be site B. I'll just name it profile site B, and match identity remote address going to be 40.0.2, the address and authentication remote there, and authentication local is going to be shared as well, and keyring going to use TR1. And now we have to set the the proposal. So let's see the naming convention is using proposal. Yes, B, and description it's going to be ASDBC 256, and integrity going to be share self, and group 24. Now we have to call this inside the policy, and let's see where's that policy. This one. Okay, so we just have to call the policy the proposal, so policy, name it site B, and just say the proposal, just to avoid typos. It's going to be that one. So basically that's IKEv2. So phase 1. Okay, that's all. That's what's new using IKEv2. Now with phase 2, let's start by identifying our interest traffic. We want to tunnel access list extended site A, site B, permit IP N1 0 load card hours 10 to 0, and let me see if everything is going according to plan. Then I need my transform set, Crypto IP SEC transform set. Let's call site to site ESP, yes, 256 ESP 5 HMAC mod tunnel. I think it's using tunnel, yes. And we already have the profile, and now we're going to tie phase 1 and phase 2 using crypto map, and that's going to be site A, site B, sequence number, IPsec, IKEv2. Now P is going to be 4002, transform set is going to be PS site to site, PFS group and 4, and IKEv2 profile going to be this one. Now we have to identify our interest traffic patch address, and add these to my routing table. Reverse route, take it, and then apply interface. Okay, let's just sure that everything is in place. Okay, and let's review. So actually the way I like to order these is, first we start with the proposal. Okay, how the peers are going to authenticate themselves. Then I have a policy, and then for each peer, okay, how am I going to identify and shared key we're going to use, match identity, remote address for all done. Then my interest traffic, everything's okay here, right? The IPsec, okay, everything should be okay. If it's not, you're going to see. So I'm just going to paste one by one. Okay, okay. Copy and paste all of these. Okay. Looks okay. So phase 1 is done. 2. Okay. Crypto map. Okay, and IKEv2 tunnel is up, so everything it's okay. So I just have to copy and replace for router B. Okay, so it's going to be router B, it's going to be the same, so just it's going to be site A, site A, site A. So my peer is going to be site A, going to be 3002, same key, give it the same name. Remote peer 30, peering is the same. I'm going to change the order. Transform set is the same. My peer here 30, and profile site A, ACL. AC. And my crypto map just makes E and A. Okay, so that should be everything. And hopefully we're going to see the tunnel up. Great, awesome. And let me see the show crypto. Okay, so we can confirm the configuration by looking, for instance, the proposal we're using. Okay, great. So, but right now the tunnel is going to be down IKE. So crypto as a camp. Okay. Down. Okay, now let's test this and hopefully it's going to work. I'm out and it works. That's okay. So our tunnel is operational. Can confirm this. Okay, so okay, I'm using IKEv2 now, so that should be crypto. IKEv2 SA. Okay, and we have our peers and IP SEC. Let's see how you can confirm phase 2. Phase 2 still the same. Okay, you can see the traffic being encrypted and decrypted. Okay, that's it. So we're going to proceed with the next one.